Hey everybody, good morning. We're here at the beautiful Phoenician Resort, which is one of the best resorts in the world in Scottsdale, Arizona. We had a client who purchased this particular vehicle behind us, which is the first ONYX wide body Bentayga that we built for US market. He bought it for his wife. He bought it about a month ago. He had it stored at our facility, and they were planning to visit Arizona around this time. So he had us bring it to the resort and leave it at the valet. So when him and his wife show up, it's kind of a surprise for his wife because he purchased it for his wife. So we dropped the car off just now. The keys are with the valet, and we cannot wait to see the surprise. So they're gonna go ahead and kind of film it and send us some of the footage. The car is unbelievable. This the car we took to the Gold Rush last year. The car is unreal, over 840 horsepower, full custom interior. I mean, the car speaks for itself. We're very excited to see how this thing turns out, but we'll let you guys know.